Hi guys, this is Holly Buzz with Bonnie
and Katrina.
Well, so Justin Bieber has rejected a new DUI deal on his drag racing charges in Miami.
Yeah, so the state attorney in Florida, they wanted Justin to submit to random drug testing, and they wanted him to do 40 hours of community service, which would involve going to a group where he would hear from families whose lives have been destroyed by drunk driving.
Now, TMZ is reporting that Justin doesn't want to do this because he's worried that he's going to turn into a spectacle when he's doing his community service. This would essentially put him on probation in Miami, which means that he would be at risk for going to jail if he gets into any trouble again.
I have to say, Bonnie, we actually think this is a good idea on Justin's part. I want to point out, the cops said he was drag racing. However, the rental car, the GPS reported that he was actually going 27 miles per hour at the time. Additionally, the cops said he reeked of booze and was so wasted, but he only had 0.014 of alcohol in his system, which is very little. However, he is under 21.
Right, and the thing is, the cop who arrested Justin has been accused of misconduct 15 times over the last few years, according to TMZ, and he's been reprimanded 5 times.
There is some bad news as well. There's reportedly some video of Justin peeing in his jail cell that shows his penis. And now his lawyer is trying to have this sealed, because we all know how that turned out when the video of him getting strip searched leaked.
Now there's more bad news for Justin. He's planning to move to Atlanta, into this ritzy neighborhood called Buckhead. And neighbors there have already started to protest, signed a petition, 250 people, there's signs, people picketing, and they don't want to have the same problems with Justin that his neighbor had with him in LA.
No one wants Gibbs in their neighborhood, but I don't think I would necessarily mind. So you can move next door, Justin. But
Come here,
subscribe.
Justin.
Yeah, we'll take you. Subscribe above and comment below and let us know. Do you think Justin's being treated unfairly, or does he need to get help for his problems?
Not just gonna be around for a long, long time.